Here are 50 plus things you should do when visiting Washington, D.C. Attend a Supreme Court lecture. Visit and tour the Library of Congress. Watch a congressional session from the gallery. Say hello to your congressperson or senator. Cheer up Albert Einstein with a hug. Or pet FDR's dog, Fala. But don't try to hug Lincoln or Jefferson. Be inspired by Dr. King's words. Honor veterans at one of the Veterans Memorials. Touch a piece of the moon at the Air and Space Museum. Or visit American History, Natural History, National Portrait Gallery, American Art, Freer-Sackler Gallery, American Indian Museum. I can go on. There are over 20 Smithsonians. Find the Darth Vader grotesque at the National Cathedral. Wave hi to the Pandas at the National Zoo. Follow John Wilkes Booth on the Lincoln Assassination Tour, and then explore inside the actual Ford's Theater. Take in a free concert at the Kennedy Center, and hang out on the roof for a great view. Witness the changing of the guard at Arlington National Cemetery, and pay your respects at the gravesite of President Kennedy. Paddle you and your friends on the Tidal Basin. Head to the top of the Washington Monument. Report the news at the Newseum. View D.C. from above at the observation deck in Virginia. Take a tour of the Pentagon. Visit the Pentagon 9/11 Memorial. Check out George Washington's false teeth at Mount Vernon. Learn more about the General at the George Washington Masonic Memorial. Explore Old Town Alexandria's historic district. Watch the planes fly above you at Gravelly Point. See how brave you are on a ghost tour. Carefully walk down the exorcist stairs, then reward yourself for surviving with a cupcake from Georgetown Cupcakes. Learn how money is made at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. See the Declaration of Independence, Constitution, and Bill of Rights at the National Archives. Learn and be moved at the Holocaust Museum. Visit the Caisson Unit at Fort Myers. See where the Kennedys lived in Georgetown. Tour the FBI building. Sightsee from the water on a Potomac River cruise. Cheer on a local sports team. Walk by the Embassy Row mansions. Learn about Revolutionary War history at the Society of the Cincinatti. Assume a new identity at the Spy Museum. See all the presidents and more at the National Portrait Gallery. Then take a photo with your favorite president at Madame Tussauds. Check out the holiday decorations around the city. Take 1,000 photos of the cherry blossoms. Find the original Capitol pillars at the Arboretum. Make your own magic potion at the Stabler Ledbetter Apothecary. Visit Cedar Hill and learn more about Frederick Douglass. Hike through Teddy Roosevelt Island. Try a half smoke at Ben's Chili Bowl. Sample treats at Easter Market. Explore contemporary art at the Phillips Collection. Hop on a bus tour to get an overview of the city. Take a tour of the White House, security clearance permitting. And of course, join us on a name-your-own-price walking tour. Phew, that is going to take you a couple of days. Why not let us show you around, or at least help you plan your trip? We link our top 10 how-to and visitor guides to these things to do in the description below. Visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com to see more about our tours all around the world. Don't forget to subscribe here and find us on social media at Top Things to Do DC.